So if you have not invested in cryptocurrency at all, that's okay. This video is actually right for you. If you have bought some cryptocurrency, this might be good too as well, but it's really for those who are thinking about starting to invest in crypto. Maybe you've been wondering about it, but maybe a little hesitant around it, whether it's, it's a matter of knowledge or a matter of fear or worry about you're gonna lose money, all that stuff. I'm gonna give you a tip here that can help you with that. If you're thinking about getting crypto and you're not sure how much, you should start investing in it. So with that, here's the answer for you, or a tip for you. I would say, look at your overall portfolio. How much total, currency do you have in there? Whether it's dollars or rupees, what's the value of your overall portfolio? And take 1% of that and invest it in cryptocurrency. That's it. Just 1%. Just to get started, just 1%. So if you have, I'll make up a number here, $20,000 in your overall savings and investment portfolio, well, 10% would be $2,000 and 1% would be $200. So yeah, just put $200 in crypto. And if you're still not sure about that, then put $150, like in that example. The idea behind 1%, by the way, there's actually a reason for it. And there's a couple. One is, I've seen some studies and things around that look at risk-adjusted returns, right? So it's kind of looking at what's your overall return, but then kind of getting an idea around risk around that. There's things like Sortino ratios and all sorts of stuff that can get a little complex. I actually cover it in some of my courses in the description below. Look at all the courses down there. Like in my big stock course, we talk about this. And in the crypto course too as well. Is, how much return am I getting for how much risk I'm taking on is the idea. And sometimes when you add a more risky investment, a small amount, it actually helps decrease the overall risk of your portfolio because you're diversifying into another asset class. Historically, a good example of that is folks might think, if I put all my money in bonds, that's a lot safer than if I add any stocks at all, just in a classic portfolio. But the truth is, and the studies show, that if you add some stocks to an all bond portfolio, it actually reduces your volatility and reduces your risk because that other asset class. Even though stocks are more volatile than bonds, but by adding in there, it broadens out the diversity and increases your return at the same time. So that's the same thing with cryptocurrency, and the studies were showing like 1% will do the job with that. You can even go up to 2 or 3% if you want to go a little bit more. But if you want to just start getting with crypto and have something that's actually makes sense from a diversification and actually helps maybe manage your risk better, hey, just start with 1%. The other big thing around 1% is it gets you going, right? It gets you started. You're not putting a lot of money into it. You don't have to take a lot of risk on this. But by investing some money, now you're learning. Now you're learning. Now you're learning the cryptocurrency exchange you're working on, or buying and selling, or which you might learn a little bit about some cryptocurrencies. The big ones, of course, are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there's other good ones too, like are out there that are very popular, like Cardano and Ripple and others, Polkadot. So there's other ones, Doge, all this kind of stuff. So by starting with just a small amount, you can get in crypto and you start learning more about it without having to put in 30, 40, 50, 80% of your portfolio just in cryptocurrency. But you'll get those learnings there. And then you also feel a little bit better that you're not missing out, right? You got a small amount in there, but if cryptocurrency starts going way up again, as it can do, and it can go way down at times too, you can at least be in there saying, yeah, I'm in cryptocurrency and I'm making money in cryptocurrency, or maybe losing money in cryptocurrency. So if you're thinking about getting involved in cryptocurrency and a little hesitant and a little concerned, hey, just start small. Let's just start with 1%. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see other videos that I do on this, and do check out the stuff in the description as well. With that, I wish you all the best of luck, and maybe you'll be starting your own cryptocurrency journey.